the lash techs be in my comments. Y'all like to tussle. Ain't nothing to it but to do it.
I'm a rock star, smash my guitar.
Come through on that bigger jet, make niggas stare at my hands, even though I am not miming. Diamonds on my ring and on my arms, watch me flex on y'all.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Say me out to dinner. Hey, yo. What's up, y'all? It's Bria'Na. Today, you are tuning into a lash extensions tutorial at home. I'm going to show y'all how to save some money, how to save yourself some time, energy, all that good stuff, okay? We are doing bomb lash extensions on a budget, baby, at home, all right? Thank you so much, Veyelash, for sponsoring today's video. Let me give y'all some disclaimers because I know the lash techs be in my comments. Y'all like to tussle. For one, I'm not a lash tech, so yes, I do things differently. And for two, I just want to show y'all how I do things my way because I've had some bad experiences with lash techs in the past. So, if you want to watch my tutorial to see how I do things my way, then keep on watching. First things first, we're going to start off with creating some fans. So basically all you want to do, also don't mind my nails, oh my god, but basically all you're going to do is pick up a couple of lashes, not too many, not too little, and you're going to grab them at the base, and it's going to rip off looking something like this, right? This is what we got. Then you're just going to squeeze the base. You're going to squeeze it together and now you have a fan. It's not the perfect fan, but I'm going to do another one. Grab some lashes. Squeeze the bottom and make sure you are squeezing tightly. There goes your fan. So that one looks a little bit better. I like to do smaller fans. The smaller the fan, the more natural it looks, okay? This is the glue that I will be using for today. It is their sensitive eyelash adhesive. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bottle, but a lot comes in that bottle, a lot of product. I also will be using some C curls, like I said. It's in 0.05, and I'm using 16 through 20 mm. Today I want to go for like a longer set. And I like to mix my lashes because these are not self-fanning, meaning you are going to have to pick up the individual lashes, not one by one, but girl, you're going to have to use a little bit of lashes at once. However, these are the self-fanning. So even though I prefer C curl, I only have D curl self-fanning. So these are her, these are she's. This is 17 mm, so they're all 17 mm, and they come in D curl 0.05 self fanning, okay? If you want to do your lashes easy and you don't want to hassle, you want to make sure that you get self fanning lashes because those are the lashes that literally can squeeze together and create a fan, okay? For my inner corner, I like to do the smaller ones. So these are 8 through 16 mm. I've been using like 9, 10, 11, 12 in my inner corner, and these are flat CCs 0.15 mix. I don't know the difference. Like I said, I ain't a lash tech. I just know I like to do like a cat eye situation with my certain eye shape. I don't know if I got like an almond shape, girl, I don't know, but I like to do a cat eye because that is what pleases me, and that's what frames my eyes the best. So what you're gonna want to do is use these lash tweezers right here. You see how they have a little curve? That is going to allow you to easily pick up the lash and create a fan and attach it to the base of your lashes. You're also gonna want some pointed tweezers, and mine are dirty, so I don't even want to show them. Like, I literally cannot pick off this dry glue. I've been trying for the past 10 minutes. And I poked myself, so I'm gonna stop. This is going to allow you to separate the lashes. Isolation. You want to isolate the lash, meaning you only want to attach the fan that you create to that one lash, okay? I hope I'm explaining this well. Like I said, I'm not a lash tech, so please bear with me. So yeah, I'm going to start the longest lashes in the back, and then I'm going to work my way up to the shorter ones. Also, for those who don't know, I think the D curl is a little bit curlier and the C curl is more straight, if you were wondering the difference between the two. Usually I do the oscillation method, but it's something on my tweezers, so it's getting in the way of me applying the lash, so I may have to just do it with my hands. Bear with me. But you basically just want to add the lash line to 1 or 2 of your individual lashes. I say 1 or 2 because you are going to make mistakes, but you basically want to hold it on for there for a little bit. Do not apply it to your actual lash line because that's going to irritate your eye. It's going to irritate your eye. So you want to add it to the lash. And basically I just squeeze some of the glue out and dip it in like so. They gave me those rings for the glue that you wear on your finger, but I can't do it all. Like, I can't hold my eye with the glue up. It'll spill, you know? And then you just want to isolate your lash and apply the lash extensions. These lashes are really long. Hold on. What lengths am I using? I'm using 20 mm right now. OMG.
We ain't gotta be lit right now. You're the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you roll up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn it.
Want to make sure you're doing is place the lash in the direction that your natural lash is going. So mine right here is kind of going straight up, kind of going to the right. So I'm putting it in the direction that it naturally grows in. Okay, I'm still switching in between the C curl and the D curl. I usually put the D curl towards the end so it can give me that va-va-voom, you know what I'm saying? But I put C's towards the middle going to the front because I don't want to close too much of my eye up, if that makes sense. So the D curl has more of a curl, meaning it's going to cover more of my natural eye. I only want that volume on the end. I don't want my natural eye to be covered, if that makes any sense. I did have to switch to another glue, so I want to show you guys another option if you like go to the beauty supply for your glue. I'm using the Jet Black 01 Kiss individual eyelash adhesive. This is what it looks like. And I had to start using this. This is what the bottle looks like because I ran out of my sensitive glue. This is for sensitive eyes as well. Neither one of them make my eyes red or run or anything like that. Another trick I like to do is I do both of my lashes at the same time, because if not, I realize that I come out with completely different eyelashes, like eyelash sets for each eye, and I don't like that. So yeah, this is what we got so far.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, don't hold no ring. Dirty ass, spillin' ass nigga with a sick ass phone from that slick ass flow. Got your bitch around me, nigga ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my folk out there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right there. Niggas got deal for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, don't lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga told me stuff. Take it like you owe me stuff. Pushing on a pussy like a button, keyboard, time for content. Still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's dumb. Everywhere I go now, always got shit. Jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? East, that's Southeast. I've been through this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Start that madness, I'm a savage. The traffic from like 11. Bad bitch, and she's Spanish. I'm out there, they got a vessel. We get nasty, I'm a daddy. She know that nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with fake glasses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I want it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't starting it. Fall down, we ain't buying it. King of this economic. Can't come here without a permit. This shit really a trouble. Feelings and the corner. They got money, hey.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. Every single time, regardless of if I do my lashes myself or if I go get my lashes done by a legit lash tech, they always come out different. Like, each eye is never identical. It's like doing eyebrows at this point. But basically, yeah, this is the final product. I love them. They're nice and fluffy and full and long, and I feel like a bad bee, okay? I always do, but I really feel like a bad bee now. So, yeah, this is my version of like a volume cat eye hybrid set, if you will. I don't know, I be making up names on my own, but yeah, getting into it. It ain't nothing to it but to do it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If my breakdown of the process was easy to follow, please give me a like. That lets me know that my process is translating to my audience well. If there's things that I need to tweak and work on, please comment in the comment section below. Make sure you check out my description box for all the information on these lashes, the lash tools, the glue, etc. Thank you, Veyelash, for sponsoring today's tutorial. And that's it. I'm gonna go take some pictures now because I feel like a baddie. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, mamas.
Diamonds on my ring and on my arms. Watch me flex on ya.